All right. Just because I love my students and I just couldn't help it. But guys, I'm going to help you actually put some CSS, some style into these buttons right here. All right. We need to actually apply some colors here so that way we can know exactly on what page we are. Right now we don't know. So, all right. If this section here, this pagination system does not deserve a 5-star review, then I do not know what does. All right, because this is our awesome stuff, right? Anyway, let's go ahead and do this. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to go to our CSS, all right here in the root directory, right? Let's go to that CSS folder and we're gonna find this CSS that says blog forward slash well hyphen home.css. All right, and usually what I recommend is for you guys to create a new style sheet, and of course, um, put it right here on the header. All right, so something like this maybe. Well, let's do it right here, and let's do something like this. Styles.css. Let's do it the right way, right, guys? And let's do a save as on this home. Let's call it styles.css. I'm just gonna delete this because this is the styles.css now. And just because this style sheet is right below the home, that CSS is going to override it. All right, so everything below overrides what's on top. That's why it's called cascading style sheet, because it cascades down. All right, so make sure that it's already linked successfully here, and we do that by, of course, coming here and doing page source and clicking on it. Beautiful. And this is on Chrome, by the way. All right, so we need to figure out, and let me just bring this back here, how we can apply some styles to it. Let's do inspect element on it real quick, and let's find out the styles of this. We can see this pager. It has a class of pager, and it's targeting the li and the every link inside the li. This is what the greater than symbol means right here. Every link inside the li. All right, so we're gonna do that. Let's go ahead here to our styles.css, and we're gonna target the pager, which is the ul, and we're gonna target the li, and we're gonna create a class. I think it's better because then we target everything else. We target every link. We're gonna create a class called active underscore link, and I keep doing this parentheses there. Sorry about that, guys. All right, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna do something simple. Let's do a background pound 00, and I'm just gonna put important just in case here. This important keyword overrides anything, all right, that is trying to give it some other color, and I just do that for safety, uh, you know, for safety issues, Anyway, so let's go ahead and actually use this class right here. Let's go to our index real quick. Let's create an if statement here. And the way we're going to figure out if this is actually the current page, right? Or any page could be the current page. But the way we do this is by doing, you know what? If which could be number 3 or 4 or 5 page at that time. Remember, it's getting attached to count. Is equal to what? The variable page. Remember, page right here. All right? This is what's keeping count of everything. That's the get request. So if it's equal to that get request, then we want to assign something to it. Well, let's actually do a copy right here of this, and let's do an else statement here and put this inside here because we're going to be doing something right now. So if I is equal to page, which could be the current page, wherever the customer is on or the visitors, then we're going to assign a class to it. And the class is called, you guessed it, active underscore link. All right? And then if we're not there, then we don't want to apply anything to it, right? So we're going to leave the other links alone. We save it, and I think we are golden here, right? I don't think there's nothing else we got to do. Let's go here and make sure this is there. Enter, and look at this. Page 3. Let's go to page 15. Page 15. Page 15. Isn't that cool, guys? All right, beautiful, right? So I hope you're happy. as I am happy of showing you this information. And maybe on the next lecture, we'll create a little feature in the admin if you haven't done so already. Take care, my friends, and I see you in the next lecture. Good job.